Hi, and welcome to Low Code No Code and the Insurance App Part 2. This time we look at partially reinvesting in an alternative product. We start again on the homepage and go into our contracts. As in the first part, we want to choose the type of payout and are pointed to alternatives. This time, however, we choose option 2 and reinvest a part of our savings in the private finance policy. We can now choose how much we want to reinvest, and I choose 99.7%. I sign the whole thing and then I have the remaining amount paid out. We could use API or OData to connect DocuSign with this solution. In the payout section, we can offer normal options like wire the money. It would be also interesting to offer options such as PayPal or Bitcoin like here. After the transfer, I rate the service. So we can set up different variables for the rating. So we have the feedback separated for the different experiences. And that concludes the whole action. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.